Hello guys, welcome to Software here. Do you want to add and click to call button in your WordPress website like this? In this video, I will show you how to add a click to call button in your WordPress website. For this, first you need to visit dashboard. Now we have to add a plugin. Scroll down to the plugins and click on add new. Search WP call button. Install first plugin. And activate it. After activation, go back to dashboard. Now we have to configure the plugin setting. For this, scroll down to the settings and click on WP call button. From call now button status, click on activate. From the phone number, add your phone number. First you have to select your country code. I'm selecting Pakistan. Now add your number. It will show that this number is valid or not. You can change call text, call button text. From the call button position, you can select buttons position like full width, bottom left, right, center. First, go with full width. From this section, you can change the buttons color. Call button visibility. You can show anywhere on a certain pages, post, hide on a certain pages or post. I'm going with show anywhere. For now, uncheck this box and save changes. Now visit your website. You can see call button in your website, but it looks not good. Go back to the plugin setting and bottom left and save changes. Now go to your website and refresh. Now you can see button in right bottom corner. Go back to your plugin setting. Static call button. You can change text, color or hide icon. Here you can get short code. Copy this code. Go to the appearance and widgets. Click on plus icon and search shortcode. Drag this widget to the sidebar Paste shortcode here and update. Now take a look of sidebar. Here in the sidebar you can see call button, but this looks too much ugly. I recommend you to add a button like this. That's how you can add click to call button in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.